What are 3 of your hair products that you keep with you at all times?
Well, I'm super obsessed with Color Wow's Dream Coat. It's a new product that's just come out, which is kind of transforming the texture of hair. And you guys know I love that shiny glass-like hair. Almost looks like a mirror, and that's what it gives you. It gives you that beautiful radiance. So I'm obsessed with that. I'm always, I'm a classic with my Mason & Pearson brush. I love a good Mason & Pearson brush. That's always in my kit. And then thirdly, I guess, Olaplex. Like with color transformations, taking Kim Blonde, I took Ariana Blonde. Olaplex was a huge part of enabling me to go further with it, and taking them to that beautiful platinum hair. Even doing mine, it's great to have that, I guess, backup, an extra security. So they're my 3 number.
And then how do you keep your hair so blonde and not have it look damaged?
It's a full time. Being blonde, honestly, is like looking after a child, guys. Don't take it lightly. It's a full commitment. It's more just about looking after your hair, looking after the condition of it. There's always the toning to do, but I honestly think everyone should experience being blonde at least once. I mean, you're a blonde. Come on, you know.
I know, but I'm a brunette at heart.
Well, me too. But what is there about being blonde? It's just fun, though.
It is fun.
It's just a little bit of pop. But I guess using the right products really makes all the difference.
Yeah.
Using like a sulfate-free shampoo, so I'm obsessed with Color Wow's Color Security shampoo because it doesn't build up in the hair. I think we live in an environment now where we're putting so many chemicals on our hair that we're increasing like hair loss. A lot of women are saying they're losing more hair. So I think what's exciting about using like a sulfate-free product is, you're just cleaning the hair and keeping the hair healthy.